In this video, we'll walk you through an introduction to the tablet ordering app in SalesPlay. What is SalesPlay Tablet Ordering App? The SalesPlay POS tablet ordering app is a versatile digital solution that enables employees across various industries to take orders using a tablet device. Commonly used in restaurants, cafés, and other service-oriented businesses, the app allows staff, waiters, or stewards to record orders and send them instantly to the POS system. Kitchen order ticket, KOT, printers, or KOT displays. You can enable tablet ordering in two ways. Number 1, create a new POS and convert it into a tablet ordering device. Number 2, convert an existing POS device. Let's see how to create a new POS and convert it into a tablet ordering device. First, go to the Settings page. Under Shops and POS Devices Settings, click on POS Devices. Now click Add POS. Enter a name for your tablet ordering terminal, for example, Tab 1 or Tab 2, and select the shop where it will be used. Then click Save. Download and open the POS app. Tap Sign In, and enter your email and password. Select your POS name and license key. Then, tap Proceed to finish setup. Back on the back office web portal, click on Add-on Apps and go to the tablet ordering page. Click Convert to tablet ordering. Select the shop. Then select the POS terminal you just created. Click Save. You will see a message on the tablet ordering app as, "This device has been converted to the tablet ordering." Let's see how to convert an existing POS device. If you've already created a terminal, you can convert it to a tablet ordering app through the back office. Log into the web portal, go to Settings, then Add-on Apps, and open the Tablet Ordering tab. Click Convert to Tablet Ordering, select your shop and license key, then click Save. You will see a message on the tablet ordering app as, "This device has been converted to the tablet ordering." Let's explore the SalesPlay tablet ordering app in action. To create an order using the tablet ordering app, simply open the app, select your items, and add them to the cart. Then, tap Save and proceed to complete the order. Want to check existing orders? Just go to the Open Orders section. From there, you can edit, delete, print a pre-bill, or update the order as needed. You can also set up a printer for the tablet ordering app, just like you do for the SalesPlay POS app. If you need to convert it back to a regular POS, go to the same tablet ordering page and simply delete the tablet ordering entry you created. Successfully reverted, your POS device is now back to its original form. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.